Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you that the device comes with the protective case inside the box by default. So we'll open the box, and here, as you can see, we got some of paperwork, and here we got only the charger brick, the USB cable, and the earphones. So unfortunately we have now here the silicone or regular protective case inside the HTC Desire 628. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.